13th one, write a Python program to match a string that contains only upper and lowercase letters, numbers and underscores. Okay, the string must contain uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and the numbers also, and also underscores. Okay, we have already seen this one, first program only. Just you have to write underscore this one. Simple pattern this is. Check. Okay, the first and last letter should be R and R, beginning matching the beginning of the string, ending of the string. Dollar. Okay, and in between the uppercase small letters, small cases, the string should be small, uppercase, and alphanumeric 0 to 9, and also underscore. This one, simple underscore is anything new one. Okay, so check the output now. Simple one. See caps Python, right? Here false, here why false. Okay, we have right here star also, so that multiple letters, so that multiple words it allows. Okay, just check the output again. Enter Python. True here now. Okay, true here. And also you write Python underscore true here. Okay, because it accepts lowercase letter, uppercase letter, and also numbers here. Okay, just python 1 underscore true here. Okay, it accepts uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, and underscore. Right, that's the program. Okay, simple. First and last letter, the beginning, this R symbol is nothing but matching a string at beginning of the string here and ending of the string, matching the end of the string dollar into nothing but accepting multiple words here. Okay, so A to Z, 0 underscore, simple.